Okay lang, baby. Ano pa? Diba? As a working girl, ay, ang ganda ng view. Love it. Ang ganda ng Seattle, parang Vancouver. We're with, hi Lana. Hello. The characters for this vlog is Sam.
Hi!
Josh! Ayun, si Sam, wag na yan.
Lagi naman tayo pala. Yung characters
Wag na yan,
lang.
wag na yan. Chobani!
Guys,
Chobani
we found
Holic.
Chobani.
Yeah. Chili. Ang sarap na. Meron din.
Hindi tayo.
I got pork shumai and then crab rangoon. I hope to God that it's good.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's try. Oh, hot. Smoothie.
Oh my god! It's Armamix chili sauce and soy sauce. Sweet and spicy. It's not that sweet. Kaya mahal na mahal ko mga Chinese. I know you do.
We know that well you do.
Habang tinext niya ako, sabi ko ulit na pagod siya.
Hindi mo tayo naman.
Tama niyo. Hindi po ba't ni Ella yung crab rangoon?
Wala ko sinabi eh.
Sabi niya lang,
May off.
masyado siya matamis.
May off ako na titikman.
It's the cheese. Oh, there's cheese in here? Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi nagka-complement yung cheese.
Oh. Which one, the character?
Yeah.
The yellow.
The 17th heaven. Okay, guys, I caved in. Nasa K-pop Nara kami and
Look who we found.
napakahirap ng buhay nito.
Kasi
Si
kami
Lana. Buti pa si Lana nakakapag-video.
Kasi kami.
In case ni Hecha.
Okay. Ano, na-excite ako? Success!
Okay.
Oh! Ano?
1, 2, 3.
Jehi.
Girl, ano yan si
Jehi. Guys, yung bias ko nabunod ko para sa yung cute ni Jehi, guys. Wow. Sino nakabunod niya? Oo. Yung kay Wonu. Probably. It's in nearby now. Check first. Ay, ang ganda na ito.
Parang may nakihina.
Oo.
Richard! Lang, wait lang. Ready na ako mabaya sa rep ni June talaga.
Ano ba yun?
Yung asawa ni Jongwan ang umuwi. Look at her. She pre-gamed.
Plus alcohol.
We're gonna take some pictures outside and then head in. And then take some more